Sitka Seafood Market was founded in 2011 by Alaskan fishermen with one simple goal: to deliver the best possible seafood. From our shores, directly to your door. We proudly partner with independent American fisheries to ensure all our seafood is locally sourced and sustainably harvested.
What I really love about Sitka Seafood is that you know where it comes from. It's better for the environment than mass commercial fishing or beef that's farmed.
My favorite thing about Sitka is obviously that the taste of the fish is amazing. I love that we're supporting families who are in this business.
Sitka Seafood gives us more variety than we would normally get just running to the store, and it's the best tasting fish.
When you join our community, you'll get the best possible seafood, as well as exclusive classes, events, and recipes from our experts to help you elevate every meal from ordinary to extraordinary. Each month, you'll get the latest catch and access to special seasonal boxes. Our seafood is healthy, sustainable, convenient, unique, and most importantly, delicious. At Sitka Seafood Market, we're delivering adventure in every box and joy in every meal. Sitka Seafood Market. Go fish.